Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to stop auto download on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, tap on three dots from the top right corner. Go to Settings. Tap on the Storage and Data. Here you will see the Media Auto Download section. From here, tap on When using mobile data. Uncheck all the boxes and tap on OK. Then tap on When connected on Wi-Fi. Again uncheck all the boxes and tap on OK. And you will stop auto download on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to stop auto download on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.